Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you an amazing way to find out great ideas for making YouTube videos in any niche. If you want to find out how to do that with this simple tool, I'm going to show you right now. Okay, so coming up with video ideas if you have a YouTube channel is often a really big barrier for creators. Sometimes you just sit there wondering, what could I make a video about? What's fun? I'm going to show you a really simple way that I use to get inspiration, and it will also give me really good evergreen trending content. So to be able to do this, we need to first download a plugin for Chrome called vidIQ. There are two main plugins for YouTube, main competitors. One is called TubeBuddy and the other is called vidIQ. I have them both because they each have really useful things. I'll leave a link to both in the description. But basically, once you've added this to Chrome, and by clicking the link and activating the plugin, I'm just going to go to my plugins. See up here, this shows all the Chrome plugins that I've got. I'm going to right click on one and go manage extension, and then I'm just going to go back to all my extensions. This shows me all the extensions I have. You see I've got TubeBuddy and vidIQ, so you can't use them both at the same time. So with vidIQ activated, I'm going to go to the home page of YouTube. Let's say you've got a channel that does how-to videos for the iPhone. So I'm going to type in iPhone how-to, and then this is going to show me some of the main YouTube influencers. So I'm going to pick one with lots of subscribers, and it looks like this app find is right up the top here. So I'm going to click on their channel. I'm going to right click and open it in a new tab so I still have this page available. Basically, from the home page of their YouTube channel, we're going to select videos, and the vidIQ is going to give us these stats and trending. So if I click on trending, this is going to show me the top videos that are currently trending on this YouTube channel alone. So you're going to need the Pro version to get the full screen of them, but this is often enough, I find, to get some inspiration. Now, what we really want is we don't want one that's brand new. We don't want one that's a few days old. We want to find one that's a year or two old, or these are great, so 3 years, because that means it's still getting 63 views an hour after 3 years. So this would be a really good video topic. iPhone, the complete beginner's guide. The complete beginner's guide to the iPhone 11. So these are obviously really popular, and people still want to know in 2022. They've got 8.5 million views, still getting 83 views an hour on the iPhone 7 complete beginner's guide. So there are obviously still people getting iPhone 7s. So let's go and find another channel, and we're going to do the same thing. So here's one called Simple Alpaca, and we're going to go to videos, and we're going to then see what's trending on their channel. Basically, you're just going to do a video on the same topic, but maybe watch a few videos on that topic and add your own flavor to it. So let's see what's trending. So this one's 4 days ago, 4 days ago, a month ago, 15. So these are all very new ones that are trending. So I'm not sure whether these would be worth going for, but this is also a good idea to see something that's really new. iOS 15.5 on iPhone 6s review. So that might be a really good topic. So I might watch that and see if I can copy that. Okay, well, thanks for watching, everyone. That's a really simple way of finding, just get that vidIQ plugin, go to a few websites that are in your niche in the same category as the ones that you're creating, and then get some inspiration from their trending videos, and then just basically recreate one of those videos with your own style, your own flavor, and maybe add some more of your own content if you know, especially if one of them is something that you know a lot about. Thanks for watching, everyone, and we'll see you in the next video.